It's a 2011 Mercedes-Benz GLK. This GLK is up for anything, yet remains down to earth. It makes everyday life easy. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, automatic suspension management, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, AM/FM stereo, key fob activated rear windows, front heated bucket seats, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. This from the Car Connection. From a purely practical standpoint, the GLK makes a lot of sense with a great driving position and plenty of space for 4 adults. 3 can fit in a pinch in back. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.